Welcome. In front of me is NOKIA 5.3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't sign into your device using screen lock pattern. So if your device keeps saying wrong pattern no matter how hard you try, and you made a couple attempts but it didn't work, then the best solution in such case would be to take your time and try to remember the pattern that you entered the last time. And if you can't remember it, then the other best solution for you would be to contact NOKIA Customer Support service as soon as possible and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you solve your issue without the need of removing all the personal data, information and files from your device. And in case this option is unavailable for you too, then the other best solution would be to simply perform a factory reset of your device, and this way you will regain access to your phone, but this will also remove all your personal data, information and files. And you can do this two ways. The first one would be using the Find My Device feature. This way you can remove all the files from your device remotely. To do that, just log into your Google account using your other device like laptop, tablet, other phone, and just select your device that is if it's connected to your Google account, and simply erase all data from it. And afterwards you'll be able to set up a new profile for your device. And if you can't do that, if Find My Device feature isn't enabled on your phone, for example, then the other way to perform factory reset is using recovery mode. And if you need help with that, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need it, go check it out. And for me, I think I mentioned everything I wanted. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider leaving a comment below and telling us about it. Subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.